Y'all want to learn how to color grade today? I know it's a lot of people out there. They be want to get into how to color grade, but they just don't. They think it's hard. It's really not hard. You feel me? It's really up to you. Today it's gonna be a basic tutorial. You know what I'm saying? How to color grade on this screen right here, and I'm gonna show y'all some footage that I shot flat, and we're gonna bring the colors back to life. Okay, this was before. As you can see, that's before. And this is after we color grade. So y'all finna learn how to do this today. Just pay attention to me though, man. You know what I'm saying? I like to give y'all tutorials, so we're gonna get right into it. Other than that, we up out of here. Let's get it. What they do, YouTube. So yeah, man, we back. So we're gonna get straight into it. So as y'all can see, I already got the files and everything imported. And we shot this in 4K. I'm saying 24 frames per second. We shot this in a flat profile, picture profile. If y'all want to know the picture profile settings, just hit me up, DM me. But you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get right into it. So basically, bro, this some basic. I ain't gonna take it until, you know what I'm saying, the full in effects. But as you can see, we got some footage right here. We got some footage. Okay. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go up here to basic corrections. But before we do that, we want to go right here to saturations. And saturation is going to bring the color out. Just pay attention. See, if you go that way, that's like a real flat. But if you go back this way, this bring the colors all the way out. But you don't want to overdo it. So you just want to play with it. You know what I'm saying? And bring the color out to the most, like, right there. See, about a 190 or 189. 189 is all right. Okay, that's just basic. So that's the first thing we did. It looks like it got a lot of exposure. Well, not too much exposure, but we need to change the shadow, and we need to play with the whites. And when we play with the shadows, that's going to bring out all the whiteness. If I turn it up, this is how I look. But if I turn it down, this will bring the picture out. And okay, Paul. Then we got the highlights. You play with your highlights. You got the highlights. You can't be scared to play with the settings. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get the perfect color, contrast, exposure, you can bring the exposure down. You can bring these just the basic. You know, if you guys want me to do more tutorials, I can. But you know, this is something basic today, just to show you guys what you can do with a flat profile picture. If you don't, you know what I'm saying? If you shoot your videos and picture profiles that you can't color grade, the colors is not going to come out as natural as it is if you shoot it in the flat profile picture. So I thought by me showing you guys this would show you guys that you can take your footage and do the same thing with a flat. You don't have to have a $3,000 camera or a $5,000 camera just to get, you know, it won't be as raw as it would, but you know, you'll get a full details. Like, look at the colors. Fix the colors. Now we went from that to this. Now this how it was before to this. Look, simple, basic. I ain't do too much touching it. All I did was play with the colors. You know what I'm saying? This was just, like I say, to show you guys you can take it and you can do it. But you got to do it right, and you got to have your picture profile set to it at the right. You know what I'm saying? Saturation and stuff. So just follow my steps, and I promise it'll work.